Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm excited to introduce my latest Excel VBA system, the Whole Management System Financial Edition version 1.0. As you can see, this is the main menu dashboard. From here, everything is accessible in just one click. First for member information, then charge dues amount, dues payment form, dues balance payment form, monthly financial summary, expenses entry form, extra income data, HOA bylaws. Select logo from folder and settings. Next is the member information form. Here we record complete homeowner details including full name, contact number, phase, block and lot, monthly dues, garbage fees, and status. The search bar allows you to pull up any member instantly. The best part, when you select a member, the system automatically shows their current dues balance and payment history, giving you a real-time view of their account standing. Now let's move to the charge dues form. This user form allows the treasurer or secretary to charge monthly dues and garbage fees to all or selected members. You can charge by month, by date, or by specific billing period. Once posted, the dues are automatically added to the member's balance and recorded in the dues ledger, preventing manual errors and saving hours of work. The dues payment form is where we record payments from members. Just select the member, enter the amount paid, or a number, date paid, and the system automatically updates their account. It ensures accuracy, tracks partial payments, and provides a cleaner financial record for the whole. For members with outstanding balances, the record payment form handles partial payments, late payments, or full settlement of overdue amounts. This form breaks down the total dues into months, letting you settle them one by one or in full. It keeps your balance sheet always up to date and eliminates manual calculation mistakes. Here we have the expenses entry form. This is used to record all expenses of the whole: maintenance, repairs, utilities, projects, and more. Each expense is categorized based on the list found in the settings sheet. Ensuring consistent reporting, you can enter amount, description, date, supporting documents, and the system automatically logs it into the expenses sheet. Aside from dues payments, the whole may also receive other types of income. The income form lets you record these from rentals, fees, donations, penalties, and other collections. By categorizing income sources, the system makes your monthly financial summary clearer and more transparent for board meetings. The monthly finance summary combines all financial activities into one dashboard. It displays total dues collected, expenses recorded, additional income, outstanding balances, and net position for the month. This summary is ideal for board meetings because it provides a clear snapshot of the HOA's financial health without manually computing anything. And that completes the full walkthrough of the whole Excel macro monitoring system, a complete, automated, and fully customizable solution designed to help your homeowners association run smoother, faster, and more transparently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow and share on Facebook, and like and subscribe on YouTube for more Excel VBA systems.